Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to find the captain ship key in Gothic 1 Remake. The captain ship key is used to unlock the pirate ship located on the beach near the fire lizard area. First things first, you need to learn the climbing skill to reach this location. We have a video on the channel showing how to learn the skill, so please make sure to check it out. Now head down to the shore at this location, as shown here on the map. Jump into the shipwreck, then run up to the bowsprit and grab the climbable wall in front of you. Climb toward the right side and follow this linear path until you reach a hidden goblin cave. Clear out all the goblins in the area so you can explore safely. Also be careful because there is a troll at the end of the cave. If you're underleveled or undergeared, this enemy can be very difficult to defeat. You can also crouch walk as this will prevent the troll from noticing you. Once you get past the troll, loot the chest in this corner to obtain the captain ship key. I've pinned the lockpick solution in the comments section below. With this key, you can now unlock the shipwreck back on the beach where we started. And that's how to find the captain ship key in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.